I'ma make you mine, and I ain't giving up. This is more than a crush, more than This is more than a crush, more than
This is more than a crush, more than a like paper, I need it. Ayy, shout out to the city, I need the green. That nigga cold, I'ma need me. Bad bitch like what I become, so she gon' eat the semen. Hey, let's get live on a Saturday night, nigga, feel just like Keenan. Let's get live, fuck it on pipe. Oh, she said that when she see me, she wanna fight. It's more than a crush, it's more than a like, in love with the paper.
YouTube, what's up, gang? How you doing, man? Hey, I know the last upload was some great content. Not the block party, the upload before that. But we have a lot of drone footage that I did not get to upload, man. So I want to show y'all some of the sliding videos that did not make the cut. It's gonna be short, but you guys will enjoy it. This gonna be a 2-day banger. This gonna be a 2-day upload. Let me know what you think, and then woo!
That was legitness. Yeah, it was.
Videos that are coming are going to be all H-Town, right? All H-Town, May 4th, going crazy. Happy Cinco de Mayo if it is May 5th on this upload, if I stay to my discipline and my timing. But let's get to the content, guys. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Y'all already know we the littest, we had the most fun, we do it the biggest. We're going to continue to travel, we're going to see the world. Hold on, I'm driving, I got the ZL1. Oh shit, y'all can see it. Hey, y'all, hold on. Y'all see the Z? Look in the background. Oh shit. Y'all see the ZL1? We towing the ZL1, man, coming back from H-Town, so I should be posting this content, like I said, today, as much as possible. Make sure y'all check out all the platforms: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, your mama house, whatever. I stay joshing on all platforms. No underscores, no dots, no nothing crazy. I stay joshing. That's who you motherfucking watching, man. Let's get the content. I'll catch y'all on another one.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days.
Hey look, these hoes want a chocolate nigga. Guess who got some chocolate for you? Ain't got time to pop it with you. Now my head, they hopping on you. In this bitch like Ron Artest. Knock one of these niggas out before. All this shit they done seen on cameras, imagine what I did when they was not recording. Get it, baby. Get it, baby. Get it, baby. Yeah, I was feeling like, show me some ass, I wanna see something, babe. Find me a hoe and I freak on her. I ain't her boyfriend right now, she my freak for the day. I got a show to come lean on it, even when summer right there and it's hot outside. I take the beat and I ski on it. We on the Casamigos, I got 3 of them. They want me fuck them all night, want me pee on them. Nope, ain't finna have me on TMZ talking about trafficking. I got the ARP, I get the slapping and show on you bitch ass niggas what's happening. Fuck did you think? I tell the waitress that cause I'ma open my bottle myself, so don't open my drink. Pull up from the club in a Rolls Royce, car full of bad bitches bumping some Drake. Nigga, comfortable that hands me in the fully. Fuck with me, I'ma get jiggy. I see that she fuck with that, she don't think I seen her looking. No, she won't give me that kitty. When they put the pressure on you niggas, run away. You know me, I'm still in the city. I just hit the grocery store, we got some groceries today. Went home and made me some chicken, these little niggas hoes. You see when you look in their eyes, I cook when these niggas like fries. Wanna be known, wanna go get you some streams, I cook when you niggas on live. Came up with lies, I call them Pinocchio, back on their ass like, no you don't, I'm in the fast car smoking on. Get nasty, gave me some throat to go put on fast like I'm running late. Back on that bullshit, ready to demonstrate, get on your ass and go get some steak. I'm on some other shit, want some more real estate. I got a bag and here with a drink, they got value to put on some weight. I'm trying to make that act clap and you say, hey, get it baby, come on, get it baby, get it baby.
I'ma make you mine, and I ain't giving up. This is more than a crush, more than
crush, more than a like paper, I need it. Ayy, shout out Dr. Sebi, I need the green. Young nigga cold, I'm anemic. Bad bitch like what I become, so she gon' eat the semen. Hey, let's get live on a Saturday night, nigga feel just like Keenan. Let's get live, fuck it on pipe. Oh, she said that when she see me weak, she wanna fight. It's more than a crush, it's more than a like. In love with the paper, money hungry for life. Yeah, really dripping out in water when I step. They like how the hell he ballin' with no ref. Cook it up, put it on, I'm a real chef. Turn the spot to Atlantis when I left. And you know that shit get deep, don't lose your breath. So you better ride away before you meet them. I ain't here for the bullshit like I'm deaf. I'm catching up now, ain't worried about no old death. Yeah. Bermuda Triangle, please don't get lost in the water. Drip that, they see I'm harder. They play, we bust no mortar. Locked in, I don't need no lawyer. Drip, water, bitch, water.
She say I got that big energy, fuck who ain't feeling me. I pull up in a bulletproof truck like it's a limousine. I'm having a bag, it's on the floor like it's a centipede. I'm calling around, I need some more, I'm having kids to feed. I want no problem, shout out to all the single women and my baby mamas. The world is yours, even if I ever play with you, won't play about you. And know one thing, whatever a nigga say, he won't say around me. I'm known to swing, and the niggas I keep around me, they don't play about me. Move smooth, I'm fucking this bitch, he tryna find out, he better get Blue's Clues. He fucking my bitch too, fuck, let's call it a lose-lose. I fuck around, flash out, put one of y'all niggas on the news, dude. So keep you cool, dude, I'm telling you, you been around me lately and seen the crib, it's hella. If I could vibe with it and keep it real, I schedule her. She like to talk shit when we getting it in, and look me dead in my eyes whenever she suck my dick like no teeth is in. I'm scared of her. Nigga, matter of fact, I'm terrified. Niggas ain't even got no money, they have it, they verified. And I can do this shit like it ain't nothing. I'm talking about every time I ask my baby, my mama, if I look good, she say I'm very fine. And I be like, appreciate you, baby. I'm making it harder for niggas to hate. You should appreciate the baby. And from the outside looking in, shit, I don't know if I find them crazy or make them crazy, but either way, I'm paid. Nigga, you know when I die, after I motherfucker.